In this video, I will introduce you to the procedure of wall mounting an outdoor AP using an L-shaped mounting bracket. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. If the installation position is high, only professionals wearing protective gear can perform installation. Secure two M4 screws and one end of a safety rope to an AP. Attach the other end, the buckle end, of the safety rope to the hook of the safety harness before installation, preventing the device from falling off during work at heights. Attach the mounting bracket against the wall and adjust its position properly. Use a level instrument to ensure equilibrium. Mark positions of the mounting holes with a marker. Use an 8mm drill bit to drill 45mm to 50mm deep holes at the drilling positions. Hammer 2 expansion bolts into the installation holes until the flat washers are firmly attached to the wall. Then, remove the nut, spring washer, and flat washer of each expansion bolt in that order. Hang the mounting bracket on the expansion bolts and use a wrench to fasten the flat washers, spring washers, and nuts in that order. Hang the M4 screws on the AP into the mounting bracket holes. Detach the safety rope from the safety harness and then fasten the buckle end of the safety rope to the lifting eye on the mounting bracket. Slide the AP away from the wall until the two screws snap into the holes. Ensure that the screws properly snap into the holes before you release the AP. Avoid placing them above the bent flanges. Use the M6 screw assembly delivered with the AP to secure the AP to the mounting bracket through the Group A holes in a diagonal sequence. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.